To perform a blood glucose test, you will need the following items: test strips, lancing device, lancets, and tissues. First, clean the site to be tested. Make sure it is dry when you're finished. Holding your lancing device, unscrew the top off of the device and insert a new lancet. Next, twist off the top of the lancet and remove it. Replace the top of the lancing device and adjust the lancing device to the proper comfort level for testing. Level 1 for a shallow puncture, 3 for a normal puncture, and level 5 for maximum puncture depth. Next, cock the device by pulling the barrel away from the top. You'll hear a click, signaling the device is ready to fire. Load a new test strip into the meter. This will turn on the meter, displaying a quick temperature reading followed by a flashing drop and a picture of a strip. Hold the lancing device firmly on the site to be tested and press the blue button on the lancing device to fire it. You should feel a slight prick, and then a drop of blood will form on your finger. Holding the meter at a slight angle, touch the tip of the test strip to the drop of blood, holding it there until the meter starts the countdown from 6 to 0. For proper technique, hold the strip to the site for several seconds to assure you get the proper amount of sample. After 6 seconds, your glucose result is displayed. Record your result with the provided logbook. Use the strip ejection button on the left side to dispose of the used test strip. Once the strip is removed, the meter will turn off. Your Edge meter comes with a 450 test memory feature. It also has an averaging mode with 6 different averages. They are 7-day, 14-day, 21-day, 28-day, 60-day, and 90-day averages. To access your meter's memory feature, start by pressing the Memory M button located in the front of the meter. You'll see on the meter's main display an M blinking, followed by a picture of an arrow and a flashing picture of a strip. Pressing the Memory M button once, the display will read 01 and then display a test result. The 01 signifies the last test result that was run. Looking at the smaller display, you will see the date and time that the specific sample was run. If you want to see all of your other test results, simply press the M Memory button to retrieve these results. Keep in mind, the meter will store up to 450 test results. To access the day averaging mode of this meter's memory, start by pressing the Memory M button once. Once we see a flashing picture of a strip, press and hold the Memory M button until you see Day Average appear in the main display. Release the button at this point. Also, in the smaller display, you will see a 7, signifying a 7-day average. Looking in the main display, you'll see a value which equates to, in this case, the average of the last 7 days of blood glucose results. For your other day averaging modes, such as 14-day, 21-day, and so forth, simply press the Memory M button one time to access these values.